everyone to our channel. Today we are doing a slime challenge. We'll be back because we have to go pick our ingredients. See you guys in a sec.
We're back and let's get started.